Hey, guys, how's it going? I wanted to talk to you a little bit about success, if you will, because success can be hard, but at the same time, it can be easy. And what I mean by that is, for example, if it's something that you love to do, then it's really not work and it's really not going to be overly hard because you enjoy doing it. But at the same time, work can be hard, still be easy because it's consistent. For example, let's say that I tell you that you can be successful with whatever it is you're doing, but what you have to do is you're going to have to walk around the block every day for the next 6 to 12 months. Now, that's not hard to walk around the block, but it takes consistency to do it. Do you think you could walk around that block for success? Well, that's what I mean. It takes work, but it's not necessarily hard work. It could be easy, it could be consistent, but it's still hard work. Later, guys. Bye.